All right, so look at what finally came in, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the phone that we have all been waiting for. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to get this phone until next week, but came a little bit earlier than expected. I've been waiting by the window all day long, looking for that UPS truck to show up. Showed up about 20 minutes ago. I'm like, we got to get this unboxed already. I did get the 512 gigabyte model in the navy blue color. I just thought it looked super, super nice, but I am tired of waiting. Let's go and get this device unboxed and see what it's about. All right, here we go. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Of course, we can already expect the box to be super slim, but as you can see here, we do got some pull tabs, so no unboxing knife is needed. So just bam. And then we got another one right here at the bottom. Bam. All right, and it looks like we can put it down like this and just lift up the top, give it a little shake. And there it is. Oh my gosh, look at the beauty. Let me go and take this off right here. Woo. This looks beautiful, this navy blue color. Look at that. And we got, of course, that nice matte frosted finish into the back. Look at those camera lenses. Look at a little bit different than what we had with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. A little bit thicker around the camera lenses, but honestly, it tells you that, hey, this is the newer version. It doesn't look exactly like the Z Fold 5. It does resemble it, but you can be able to tell the difference because of those camera lenses in the back. But this color is looking so nice. So the first thing we will do is take off the inside plastic. Let's go ahead and peel it off here. And there it is. We got that inside display. Now there is a slight crease that I'm not sure if you can tell on camera here, but that crease is kind of there. But honestly, if I remember back to the Z Fold 5, this is actually looking a lot better than the Z Fold 5. That crease is barely noticeable, even with the screen off. It's actually looking really good. Let's go ahead and give it its first fold here. Here we go. Bam, look at that. And we got some matte edges, top, bottom, the sides, and even the hinge on the sides is a matte finish, so it's not glossy. It's not going to attract any fingerprints. Looking really, I'm sorry, but I love this navy blue color here. It is looking so nice. Of course, some Samsung branding right there. Got another piece of plastic here with the front screen. Let's go ahead and take that off. There we go, and there is that front display. This phone is looking so clean. Definitely a refined version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I am loving this. We got those squared off edges this time, almost giving us like a look of a Note device, but skinny version, if you know what I mean. But it just looks so nice. I'm sorry, I can't get over it. Got the volume rockers power button here on the side, of course, which is also going to be our fingerprint sensor. SIM card slot up there at the top, which is going to be on the left side of the phone, I guess, if you do have it open like this. But let's see if it's got any juice. Let's go ahead and press this power button here. Let's see. We should have some juice. We usually always do. Come on. I've had my finger on the power button for a while now. There we go. All right, so we got some juice. I'm going to set that over to the side for now. What else we get in the box? Here on the top piece, we get this, of course, which is going to have, I'm sure, our user manual and the charging cable. Charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and just, the user manuals, and that is it. So nothing really much in the box. It would be nice if we got the charging brick in the box at least, and maybe like a super slim case for, how much we're paying for this device right here. But look at that. That inside display is looking good. And again, that crease in the middle is hardly noticeable. I'm trying to shine it in the light right here to see if you're able, there we go. So you can kind of notice it with the ring light, of course, shining directly at it. But I mean, head on, even with the screen off, it's kind of hard to notice. And then when the screen's on, of course, it's hard to notice at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll come back and take a quick deeper look into the Galaxy Z Fold 6 here itself. All right, so I'm all signed in and ready to go. Well, at least, I mean, it's almost finished, but it's still good enough just to be able to take a quick look at the device itself when we are signed in, ready to go. Looking at the bezels around here in the front display, they are fairly thin, so they don't take up too much of that front display. And yes, it does seem just a little bit wider than with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. And when, signing in to this device and just setting it up, I did notice it was just a little bit easier to type on this front display. And not only that, let me go ahead and go into my notes here, but I also noticed with the haptic feedback here when typing on this device, it's actually not that bad. It's pretty decent. It's not the best haptic feedback that I've ever felt on a device, but how would I describe it? It has just kind of like a nice clean feel to it, kind of like a nice clean smooth feel to it, just typing here on the device. And as you can see, I was able to easily just type that, subscribe without any mistakes. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. But the haptic feedback's pretty good on here. Typing on this front display is not that bad either. But then we go, before we go into that inside display, I got to talk about the smoothness. We are getting that 120 Hertz here with that front display. And yes, it is a super smooth experience. And then going into that inside display, bam. This is why you buy a fold device. That way you can take advantage of this tablet-like experience. And just like the outside, the inside as well, we are also getting some very slim bezels all the way around. It's just enough to be able to hold the phone without accidentally touching the display. As you can see, my thumbs rest nice on those thin bezels right there, not too much on the display itself. And it's nice. And the display itself, I mean, this is just such a beautiful, smooth experience, a beautiful display. I mean, I really love the way the colors just pop on this display right here. I mean, if you know Samsung, I say this all the time, Samsung always putting their best displays in their devices, giving us this smooth experience, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Again, the crease hardly noticeable. Of course, we do have those, on the bottom, we have the charging port, the microphone, the speaker, got another speaker up here, some microphones as well. Nothing over here to the left except for the SIM card slot, like I mentioned earlier. Then, of course, the power button and the volume rockers. And then we can go ahead and test out the fingerprint sensor here on the side really quick. I did set it up. Boom, as you can see there, working good. Boom, look how fast that is. Okay, ready? Boom. Again, one more time. Here we go. Boom. So not too bad there. So honestly, just based off of first impressions, absolutely beautiful, beautiful device. Loving this navy blue color. I cannot get over how good it looks. I almost don't want to put a case on this because of how good this color looks on this device. But of course, knowing me, I'm gonna have an accident, so I gotta make sure to put a case on this device. I do not have any in-house just yet. I do have some on the way, so I gotta make sure to be careful for now. This does not come with a pre-installed screen protector as well. So the display is naked, so I do recommend getting a screen protector for this front display as well. Let's see, did the inside display come with a screen protector? Okay, yes, it feels like it does. Let me see. Okay, yeah, if you look closely there, not sure if you can tell on camera, but it does come with a pre-installed screen protector there on the inside as well. But there it is for now, just my unboxing and first impressions here with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's give it one more fold. Bam, look at that. And it's so satisfying, the sound that you get when it closes. Bam. So there it is, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Got tons of content coming. I'm actually about to head out, do a quick video test with this, some 4K video to see how wow that is, because who knows, this might be my next device that I use to record videos here on the channel. But what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments if you did get one of these devices for yourself. What do you think about it so far? Have you received yours yet? Or is it on the way? When are you going to get it? And what color? Let me know down in the comments. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, especially when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Like I said, I'm going to have tons of videos on the way. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.